Okay, this is video 2. We tried taking a video at noon today, but there was no contrast. Couldn't see anything. It's like taking a picture of snow. We're going to try and somehow get a little bit of shadow going on. Maybe you can see it there. It's hard to see this. We got, as I mentioned, we have creases that are where it's delaminated. There's 5 of them that go across the roof of this thing, but the problem is that you're taking a white background, you really don't see it. With the human eye, it really stands out, but you can't in video and in photos. It's almost invisible. We'll get right on top of this one. If you take a look, you kind of see it from up here. You kind of see it there. See what I'm saying? And you know, so it's delamination, 5 spots, kind of right along. You can probably see it there a little bit more. Zoom really. Shop. You can kind of zoom in, you kind of get that idea there. You got a crease going all the way across it. And you look down there and lo and behold, there's another one down there. You can see it right next to that vent. So 5 of them, you go from side to side, trying to get focused on it with a camera. Not a very expensive camera. A decent camera is just hard to do. There's another thing that we've got, if that's not good enough, we've got, on most of the units, you got delamination, looks like delamination. And what I'm talking about by delamination is just not fully sealed and seated all the way down the border here. This is going to be very difficult to pick up with the camera. But you can see it plain with the naked eye. It's just basically for this first couple inches we've got here. There's a bubble here. Some of the units are worse than others. This one's got about 1 inch. Some of them have more than that. And I know you're just really not seeing anything, and I'm trying to do it. There's the other one on the last one here. I don't know if you can pick that one up. That one's a little bit less than the other creases, but and once again, like I say, it's hard. Coming back to this, this is the only way I knew to do it. Pictures really aren't going to show you. You can see that that's what we've got. Now, this is not by any means the worst unit. This is just an example of the units. I'm going to try and stand up here on this ladder and get across the other unit over there. I'm going to zoom so you can see it, because we've got the same thing on the other unit next to us over there. You probably can't see it, but it's the same thing we've got here. This distance is white on white. You can't pick it up. And look on that unit over there, we've got it. We've got it on this unit here. Same issue. That one may be a little bit more pronounced actually. And then we've got it on this issue over that one right there. So I'm going to jump to those units and see if with different light shading, we waited until dusk to whether these come out any better.